All right, what's going on, guys? This is Fire Trader from firetrading.org. I just want to go over some of the trades that we took today and our morning notes with you guys, kind of explain some things. So we'll just jump into it. IMUX, first one on our list here. They had top line data from a phase 2. Okay, great. But they still have a phase 3, and they still have different hurdles that they need to cross. So this one, it was a short. I was looking for the short on it today. Basically, I said if this starts to pull, short it, slam it down to 20 and under, and be done with it. We'll take a look. I'll kind of explain. This one didn't quite work out the way that we wanted it to. We're looking for that nice all-day fade to the downside, back down towards 17 and under. But we didn't get the pop towards 28 I was looking for. And I know a couple traders who took it right here off this bear flag break, slammed it down, got 20 and under, almost 2020. So we almost hit our target, but we're kind of looking for that nice just drift off today, which we didn't really get. So all in all, it was the idea was there, but it didn't quite work out. But this one made up for it. NIO, they reported 3,500 vehicles in July. That's great. That's very good. If you guys read the press release, I believe, don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure they said it was up 300% from last year. So this one, I was looking for an all-day move to the upside on it. I knew this would get bought up. So I said if this does pop it open to 1280, let it pull back and consolidate for a bit before we grab it long for the next leg higher to 1350 plus on it today. And I'll show you. That's exactly what we did. We got the pop out of the open right up here to 1280, 1290. Let it pull back, let it consolidate, and we grabbed it right here off this flag break. Bam. Took it on up, hit 1350 to the penny, and just all day move to the upside. And we're looking for a multi-day move on it. We're swinging this one. We're looking for 14, 15, maybe 16 later on it this week. So beautiful trade. Let's see, what else is there? ADT. ADT was my baby this morning. So Google is investing $450 million, acquiring 6.6% ownership in the company. So basically what's going on with these two is they're partnering up to make home security. They're basically using Google's brains with ADT's installation. That's kind of what's going on with it. So either way, it doesn't matter what ADT's part is in it. They are getting a large sum of money. So I was looking for a little low volume pullback right down here to 13 and under. Watch for bottoming and take it long for a nice bounce and all day push to the upside. And I'll show you. This is exactly what we did. ADT here. So ADT, we got the little pull out of the open. We didn't quite get 13. We got 13.25. And then we started pushing it back up. Once I started seeing this momentum start coming into it, I went ahead, I jumped into it right here on this candle. I believe my average was 1407. Somewhere right in here. I took it basically as it was breaking this opening range to the upside. And we took it on up. It was got halted three times, I believe. And it just took pieces off along the way and wrote it up. We're looking for 1725 on it. We didn't quite get it. We got 1722. And then after that, we were shooting for, which was this level right here, 1725. And then after that, we were going to shoot for this 20 level, but ended up just kind of getting ahead of itself and it kind of sold off. We did try it one more time right here off this little downtrend break. We popped it up a little bit, but we actually ended up just selling off. And I think I actually got stopped out break even on this one. I didn't even take any off because I was looking for this push back up here towards 17, but all in all, beautiful opening trade. Way to start off the day. CODX. This one, this was fun. So basically, what I wanted was a pull out of the open down here to 25 and under. Then watch for bottoming, grab it long for a nice all-day move to the upside. And I'll show you where we took this one here. We didn't quite get the pull out of the open to 25. We got 25.50. Then once we started seeing this downtrend break right here, this is where we took it. Bam, took it long. First target, 28.30, the pre-market high up here, and took off a piece here. I took off right up here at 28. As I saw it started getting rejected here, took a piece off here, let it ride out, And then I think I took another piece off right up here as we started breaking this little downtrend. And then I took off the rest right up here because it was just kind of starting to grind out. So I got bored with it. And all in all, great trade, fantastic trade. Marna. There's some news that came out that said phase 3 COVID vaccine could come in October. Well, Marna didn't say it. The FDA didn't say it. Jefferies said it. An analyst said it. Last I checked, Jefferies isn't the spokesman for Marna. Once Marna comes out and tells us this, or the FDA comes out and tells us this, then that's a different story. You know, we could buy this. For now, pop it, short it, and then grab it long. Sorry, I'll show you the notes right here. I wanted a quick pop out of the open to 76. Watch for topping and short it for a fade back down to 74 and under, then watch for bottoming and grab it long. Marna. There it is. We got the pop out of the open right up here. Didn't quite get 76. It got 75.60. Faded it off back down 74 and under. Then watch for the bottom curl and grab it long. I actually didn't take this one this morning. Actually, I didn't trade this one at all today. I know quite a few traders in the chat room did. They nailed it and just took it on up, shorted it, popped it, shorted it, took it long. I was focusing on ADT and a couple other trades I'll show you here in a minute. But great trade. MRK had earnings last week. They got a beautiful $105 price target upgrade from Goldman this morning. So what I was looking for, plain and simple, if this starts to get bought up out of the open, where is it? But if this starts to get bought up out of the open, grab it long for a quick pop to 83. To top it off, short it back down to 82 and under, then grab it long for the next leg higher. MRK. So we got the, you guys, I know a couple guys actually grabbed it right here off this little flag break for that pop up to 83. But we got that pop up here to 83. I'll show you. This is where this isn't where I took it. We got the pop to 83. I waited for this pullback right down here. Once we got that pullback, I actually sat there and watched it for a little bit because this was a little bit more of an aggressive sell-off than I was looking for. But once we kind of started seeing it curl back up and we actually broke this little range to the upside right here over this this kind of high right here, grabbed it long, took it on up, and took it on up for the next leg. You know, got a couple points out of it, and yeah, it was a great trade, fun trade. Microsoft, they confirmed talks about acquiring TikTok. So if you guys read the press release, for one, it wouldn't be until September, they estimated. And two, they're just confirming that they're talking about it. They're not confirming that they're actually doing it. So just the fact that they're confirming that they're talking about it, that doesn't really mean anything to me. So it's just a short. So this one actually didn't quite pan out the way I was looking for today. I wanted to pop out of the open to 214, then top it off and short it back down to 208 and under. But we didn't quite get 208. We got the pop out of the open a little bit more, 215, a little bit more than our 214. But grabbed it short. I didn't trade this one. And we took it down. Didn't quite get 208. Didn't even get 210. But, the idea was there. Pop and fade, and then grab it long. And last one, CLX, Clorox. This one was bought into pretty heavily leading into earnings. And basically, if a stock's bought into pretty heavily leading in earnings, and then the earnings aren't quite as good as everybody was expecting them to be, then you tend to get a little bit of a profit-taking blow-off. And that's exactly what we did today. So this is this should get sold off today. Watch for a short covering pop up to 235. Watch for topping and short it for a nice fade. CLX, there it is. Watch for the short covering bounce out of the open at 235. Got 234.14 and short it. Nice fade back down. Bam. Okay, and that is it for our notes. Thanks you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in coming to trading with us, we'd love to have you. I'll put the link down in the description down below for the website. It's right here, firetrading.org. You can come check us out. But these notes are posted every morning about 45 minutes before the market opens. 15 to 10 minutes before the market opens. I hop on mic. We go over these notes. I like to discuss the news and the notes with everybody, just so everybody can kind of feel more comfortable with the trade and gain a little bit of confidence when they're trading, because if you have confidence when you're trading, it helps you make a little bit more rational decisions. So yeah, they're posted 45 minutes before the market opens. We like to discuss them, discuss market sentiment, just see what the market's going to do that day. And, throughout the day, every day, daily, or we got audio, screen share. Every day in the afternoon, we do a recorded webinar. Those webinars are archived in the chat room for all the monthly members to go check out whenever they want. They can watch whenever they want. And yeah, chat room's open 24/7, live Q&A throughout the day. If you guys want to come check us out for a day, it's free for a day. $50 for a month, $50 for a week, $129 for a month. Also, there's a promotion going on. You guys can get 25% off on your first month if you enter the coupon code FIRE25 off, all capitals. I'll put that down in the description as well. And we also have a swing trading chat. So just a heads up, the monthly subscription here for the day trading chat room does have access to the swing trading chat, but the swing trading chat does not have access to the monthly day trading. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys come in. We trade with you tomorrow. If not, hope you guys do good, and I'll see you next time.